Hi, my name is Sean, and Galaxy the Fox calls me Shawnee Patton. I'm a bit big to be 11 months. I don't know my age. I really don't. I think I'm like, 11 months. Next year I'm gonna be turning 1. I can't believe it. I'm a tired little kitty cat. I'm also very shy and scared of people. So, every subscriber and every like counts. Yeah. Well, go subscribe to my brother, Special Ed. He has some awesome videos, even though he hasn't uploaded yet. I hope you like my channel and Galaxies and Special Edge. Goodbye.